Okay, I got a order a 2010 the Chinese made version screen. I don't know what you call that, what you want to call it. It's a Chinese version of this Toyota 2011 4Runner. This 4Runner is a little bit different from the rest of them. This thing does got a premium sound, which got a JBL system. So they sent me the wrong one. I can't wait for them another month for the customer. The customer's gonna get mad. So what I've done, I had to lose. I mean, you know, I had to eat it. This Axswc I cannot bypass in any other way unless I bypass the amplifier itself. So I didn't do that. So I got this Axswc-TY1 for the sound to work. And coming on the back of this thing right here. Now with this Chinese version, they come up with the it's called the key 1 and key 2 for this Toyota. Now with the key 1, I hook it up to this white connector right here. I hook it up to number 7 for the key 1. And then the key 2, I hook it up to the number 8 wire, which is this wire. If you're looking at it right here, you see the blue one is number 6. The blue one I connected to the ground. The ground of the radio ground, or the ground from the car, or connected to one of this frame right here. That will work same way. The white one is key 1, and then the red one is number 8. That's key 2. Now I forgot to mention the blue one is number 6. So that's how I connect it. And also when I connect the camera, I have to connect the this plug right here. The plug that I got was, I mean, it works, but it doesn't work because it doesn't have power. You see this red wire right there? It's looking for the power. You know, when you put on reverse. So here I don't want to confuse anybody. The reverse wire on the camera is pink. It will say reverse like that. You want to hook up the pink and tap it to that red wire right here, which is, you know, from here it's a pink. Tap it to this red wire, and then you got the you see the black and the yellow. This is for the here. The black one is the ground, which means if you cut it, this piece is the ground, and this is a male connector right there for the positive side. The male is a positive side. So you want to hook it up to the ground. You want to hook it up to if you look on the back of this one right there, see the black one is on, counting from the pink, is 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth one, 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth one is the this blue right here. That's go to the ground. And then this gray looking one, white looking one, that is a positive. And then you got the red one right here. That's a reverse. That's when you turn on reverse, it's gonna go to 12 volts, so the camera will work. And then programming, I'll show you later. Now some of you ask how is that gonna work. So well, for programming the steering wheel for 2011 Toyota 4Runner with the built-in premium sound system, I'm gonna go back to home. Click on home page, click on the car right here. Now you want to go setting. Once you go setting, you want to pull it up like this to the SWC, which is steering wheel control. Now what you want to do, you want to click on this part right there for the volume. Once you're on the volume, I'm going to start from there. That's why there's a mute button right there. I am going to, actually I think this is for mute button. Mute talk, not okay. But anyway, I'm gonna start at I don't want to confuse anybody. I want to start with volume up. So I'm gonna press this button, press it 1 second, and then press this button. Actually, I pressed that button first. Actually, the instruction doesn't sound right, but I'm gonna click on that part right there. I'm gonna click on wherever I want to program. So I'm gonna click on that. Since it's on the negative, the volume down, I just press in this button right there until you hear the click. See, it'll click. So now source is a mode. It's the same thing. So I'm on the source. I just click on source, and you're gonna hear that click, meaning it's the approve, and then play. I'm not sure. That doesn't have play, so I'm gonna go to the next one. I'm gonna go to the up and down. Let me see if that's the right one. Up and down, yeah. So I'm gonna go click on here for up, and here I'm gonna hold it, and then down. It's stay on down already. It move itself to down, and then now. So now I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 program. Now I'm gonna go to answer. Answer. You wanna click on this button right here, and then you wanna click on that one right there for answer, and hold it. And then hang up. It's already moved to hang up already. I'm gonna click on the hang up, and then don't worry about the radio power and all that stuff. It doesn't have that option. Let me see what else I got. Yeah, that's it. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you got 4, 5, 6, 7, or 8. I think that's mute. I'm gonna try that. But hold on. Let me play with this for a second. Let me save it. I don't want to mess anything up yet. Let me save that. So I saved that. I'll press the volume up. Yeah, it's working. So yep, that's how you program it. Now earlier I'm too scared to mess with this, so I'm gonna play with this one. This say that's for mute. So I'm gonna click on this mute right there, and I'm gonna click and hold this button. See if that's the right one. So I'm gonna play a music and see what works. Actually, I have to save it first. Press save and then get out that right there. Play music. There you go. The music's on for a second, and then I'm press mute. Oh yeah, that's it. Mute. Right there. That's it.